Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So I've had a week off. I've actually been away on holiday, and during the time that I was off, Creative Craft Products had a launch. Well, it was like a mini, it was just a soft launch. So you would have seen, if you follow Craft Stash's website, that the Filigree border nestable, these are supersize dies, went live on the website. Now, I do a lot of work with the Creative Craft Products now, so I try to make sure that every Tuesday and Thursday, those days are where I would share a tutorial that has a focus on dye. So I thought I would share that today. So it's kind of a little bit of a show and tell, just for anybody who may have missed these, but they did already do really well, and lots of people have grabbed these ones. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 different shapes here. So you've got your squares, you've got rectangles, you've got your slimline, then you've got your DL, you've got your circles, ovals, octagons, and hexagons. The Creative Craft Products are brilliant for your basic dies. They have every shape and size of nesting dies that you can think of, and I always say that these are like the bread and butter of your card making. Get yourself a good set of nested kind of dies in different shapes, and you can do lots of different things with them. Just to give you an example of what actually, before I show the samples, I've got some beautiful samples that Katie Skilton has made, and it just seemed a shame for you guys to not see them like for real. They are on the website, but I thought I would show them here. So I haven't actually opened these. These are my own, so I'm going to be popping these all on my magnetic plates and add them with my other nested dies. But just so you can, see how large these are. So if you like to make shaped cards, cut a couple of these and you've got that wonderful shape there, and it's got this beautiful detail. And you can weave ribbon through this, and I'll show you an example of that in a moment. So in this one here, you get 10 dies, 12, 10, 12, 5 on that one there, because obviously you're working with a very slim area, and 4 with that one. And then 8 in the rectangles and 11, but 11 or 12 on the big size ones, so like the squares, circles, octagons and hexagons. But you can see how they would look when they start, when you layer them up. So that's the design. Like I said, it's a new filigree pattern. It's like lace. When you cut it in white, it looks like lace. But you can see they nest perfectly together, and you can just create so much with your nested dies. That's just to show you the shape that you have on the edges, and then I'll show you the lovely samples that have been made, just again to give you some more inspiration. So I've got quite a few here to show you. So there's this one here which has just used the circles and the smaller ones, and you can see how that pattern looks there. And Katie's just used, I don't know what papers those are. It might be from her own collection actually, but really, really nice. And that is a little top fold card. Then you've got this one here where she's used the hexagons, and that's like a linen cardstock. That shows the detail more in the plain cardstock there. Then she's done this small little note card where she's just layered up the rectangles that will be. And I think, again, these are probably flowers from her own collection. Then you've got the squares here. Really like this one. Love how she's got them just on the left-hand side there. They look like little fabric squares. That version. And then this one here, using the larger squares. So that's the smaller ones that would nest inside these. But I like this one where she created the aperture. Little cluster of flowers there and the sentiment. And then she's lifted that middle one up on foam. Really pretty. And then this one here is the slim line, I believe. Don't count the days, make them count. Again, just a really good way just to show you them all and how they look when they're all cut. And then you've got the octagon ones here, and the small ones look like flowers. You could pop a little embellishment in the centres of those as well, and it would look really nice. And then you've got this one here, which is either the DL or the slim line. Don't count the days, make them count. Again, really unusual, but a nice way just to show off all that pattern. The oval one, this one's pretty. Make the moment, take the moment and make it perfect. And then this one here I did to show you, well, this was part of the Frida launch, but how nice it looks with the ribbon through. And I've just made this card shape using 3 of the circles there, and then just pop the ribbon all the way around and tied it at the top. So if you like to add ribbon to your cards, I think it'll look lovely. Even if it's just woven through like one part there at the top, you could have it kind of make a little decoration or something so it's hanging, and pop the ribbon through that way as well. But yeah, there it is. It's just a very quick video, like I said, a show and tell of the new very large supersize filigree nestables by Creative Craft Products. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below. If you're new to card making or you want some more different shaped nesting dies, head over to the Creative Craft Products because they've got a lot more than just these ones here. And like I said, they're a great go-to brand for your basics and those kind of pieces to get you started. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back again very soon with more tutorials. Take care. Bye.